Wicked. Yeah.
Yo, it's been a while.
Yeah, right?
It has been a while. Welcome to Daytime Live. It's Friday and it's Heroes Weekend.
So true.
You got any plans?
I plan to be a hero, as I said before. But well, today, I know some I go downtown today because I'm vegging them a fish fry down there today, right? A perennial charge or case, and I go down there.
Really hope it's good because I can't tell you last, I do want fish fry. I'm actually enjoy the food.
Nah, man. Well,
So
I know
really,
so them money I go make sure.
More of them deliver. My God.
No service already.
Alright guys, so don't forget to connect with us on our social media. That's Instagram and Twitter at TVJ_Daytime Live. And of course, you can follow us on Facebook, like us on Facebook at TVJ Daytime Live as well.
And if you want to be part of the studio audience, log on to Television Jamaica. Always excited today. Log on to televisionjamaica.com and get listed or just forward.
And of course, you can catch back shows via onespotmedia.com. Or if you're lazy like me, just search YouTube. Daytime Live, catch performances when Craig did propose. If I would put it like, oh, in 2017 or 20.
Don't do that, don't do me that.
Sorry.
I think I 2 years though.
Okay.
I've been married
I
for
know
almost
Trisha
2
always,
years.
oh,
almost,
okay.
Yeah,
Trisha watching right now.
Hey, close to it, I think it was in, when was it? I think it was October or something. When did I propose?
So probably
I remember when
I'm
married.
You remember when married?
Anyway, let's get buzzing. So on Tuesday, we spoke about Kanye West and his wife Kim Kardashian and his new fate. And then the next day, it was announced that Kanye West will be coming to Jamaica to bring his Sunday service concert in Emancipation Park, which happens today at 7 p.m. The concert is free to the public and will feature a 120-voice choir and a 15-member band. This is Sunday Service's first appearance in the Caribbean since the first concert in January. And according to production manager Jonathan Coleman, Africa, Europe, and Asia are next. Coleman said one of Kanye's employees is Jamaican and it was her idea to bring the gospel group to the island. He told me on Monday that he wanted to do the concert here and it is going to happen. This is what Coleman told the Gleaner. So Coleman was already in Jamaica working on the logistics and is being assisted by Jamaica's tourist board.
And I mean, you know, well, first of all, somebody, who called me? Somebody called me. No, Sparks posted it on Instagram. And I called Odessa, and I'm like, Odessa, this is happening, but when Mrs. Sparks posted, you know you have some credible people where you can really trust when they post certain things. But again, I was like, no, little journalist inside of me say, well, on little way. So I called my brethren Aubrey, who know people up at the U.S. Embassy. Yeah. I remember when they brought Fantasia, I said, Aubrey, this is how Aubrey said, no, not about it. Literally, right after I talked to Aubrey, I see the Gleaner posted it that he was coming. I mean, honestly, for me, it's neither here nor there. However, the fact that we're the first island in the Caribbean to actually get this. Kanye West has a lot of fans out here. Yeah. But there's a spiritual side of it that's kind of concerning. The fact that he's doing something of this nature. And a lot of persons are saying, oh, you know, with his bipolar disorder, is this even something that is being taken seriously or whatever? Or the type of, the fact that him name it Sunday. First of all, why is it Sunday service?
I thought on Friday. That's the first thing I wonder.
But yeah.
But I mean, is that Jamaican thing to question these things still? Because we not just take things at face value like that.
No, we don't.
Not just because you say you come and you do this, you do that means that really go on. But I mean, what I do applaud is that he has decided to get that serious with him faith, and he must step out in front of the public and he must do it in a big way. I like that. I hope that it is genuine, and if it is, then it's a great move.
I know what I like about it as well. That's why I'm seeing some sort of, you know, the fact that I think he's genuine about it is the fact that he has a Jamaican person on board. So the person probably say, yo, all the time American artists, you know, use Jamaican lyrics or use whatever in them songs, and we don't ever get to see them come here like of that nature. So for example, you know,
to do a free concert.
To do a free concert. Well, that's church too, cool. So him couldn't charge. But I mean, I think there's some sort of interest that was from his end. I think the last time he was here was at some fest some years ago, or something like so. So it's actually cool to see. I know that the road is going to be terrible.
Oh yeah, man.
Well, we shall see. It would be
helicopter
really bad if there's a flop. But but all in all, I think it's interesting, and I think the Jamaica Tourist Board should really use this opportunity to at least, well, the fact that them jump up and them start help to execute it, they should try to see if they can look into more opportunities like that. They can probably bring in like a Beyonce.
So I'm to Tyrus Valley. Tyrus Valley normally keep him show at Emancipation Park every Christmas. I wonder if Tourist Board did help him.
So we'll start the conversation right here on Daytime Live. Tourist Board, are you looking international or you want to feature the local? Yes.
Them should have
we need to talk more about that. In fact, I see Tourist. Yeah.
I feel like, anyway.
All right, so Samsung said on Thursday that it is working on a fix to deal with this mess that they're experiencing with their Galaxy S10 and Galaxy Note 10 device, where there's some fingerprint problem. Now, the flaw was first reported by a UK couple who discovered that the husband could unlock his wife's phone using his fingerprint, according to the BBC. Now, Samsung's fingerprint ID system allows users to open their phone as well as make payments and applications on the phone using a finger or a thumbprint. I don't know nothing about that because I can't relate. I'm an Apple fan. But anyway, sorry for the Samsung people to be getting this news. But the CNBC also said that the software update is coming and that will fix it. They said that we're investigating this issue and we'll be deploying a software patch very soon. They said that they're encouraging any customers with questions or in need of support to download the latest software. So all Samsung users, download the latest software, or you can call them directly at 1-800-SAMSUNG. Now, see enough people out there use Android. So we hope if you have any problems, just make me know in the DMs so we can say, all right, then if it's really something that's happening. But I mean, with technology, you always have glitches and all these things happen all the time. I just think it's important that whatever, whether you're Apple or Samsung or whatever.
Well, my thing is, I mean, at the risk of being slightly behind the curve, I like to wait a little bit until these apps and softwares sort out them glitches before I jump on the bandwagon. These things always happen.
Yeah, man.
Always. Happen. And I mean, it's growing pains. These things have to happen in order for them to get better. So I mean, it's just knowing that and knowing when to.
Yeah, but that's just an expectation with technology anyway. But
anyway, one of those things. So I hope nobody don't open my phone. So Gustazos is a go-to website that empowers people to experience the best of life, giving them access to dining experiences, travel, adventure, and much more. And Daytime Live have partnered with them to give you the offer of the day.
And today's offer of the day is coming directly from the JPS store. Excitement, people. JPS, I give us something. Now, save energy, save money, claim this free Gustazo and receive a 50% discount towards the purchase of a select item in all JPS e-store locations. Head over to www.gustazos.com for your offer of the day. I wonder if I can get a, where are going to go by?
JPS store? Solar panel. I wonder if they have discount on them solar panels.
50%.
Right.
That would actually be a really good discount. Are the light bulb them where you save energy and things? Especially if you have like one big house, you want to put light bulb all over the place. You want solar panels?
Yeah, dog.
All right.
Anyway, we have some bottom shout-outs. Yeah. Well, my big up Blacks and Reds already, good for the fish fry. Big up to Sharon from Honor Lane. I love how I do the thing. I love how I keeping the community together. Maximum respect. Big up to Boop, best underrated. Big up to the whole of the Honor Lane, man. And big up on yourself. Easy, Mr. Brown. I see you. Mad thing.
All right, I have a shout-out coming to Mama Gracie from Fitzgerald Avenue. A blessing is coming your way, Mama Gracie. I hope a blessing come my way too. And this is coming from Vinny. And we have another one. Shout out going out to my friends Little D and Kiwane from Arthur Jones Avenue. Stay focused, me Jenna, coming from Kimani. That's some nice greetings. Yeah, Bridget, I encourage Bridget to do them thing and do well. Yeah, man.
Family thing.
Yeah, man. It's good. All right, Daytime Live will be right back. Well, no, wait. Before we go there, so. See that Heroes there next week.
Yeah.
I want to know who are your hero.
My hero? Marcus Garvey.
Give me some background of why.
Background?
Well, we choose a national hero. We admire our hero in general.
No, in general.
In general?
In general, whether he's a national hero or not. I also admire Peter Tosh. I like people like that who are unapologetic and them step regardless of who's against them. I like that. I've always admired that kind of warrior spirit. Yeah.
I don't want to sound cliche, but honestly, my mother is my everything. Hero, heroine, everything. I mean, in terms of certain principles and stuff like that I would have learned. I don't think I could have gotten that from anybody. I mean, yeah, it's good to admire people and have role models and all of that, but in terms of like principles and life lessons and seeing how she lead by example in a certain way, definitely.
Toussaint Louverture is another hero I admire. Badness, I like that.
Badness in a good way.
In a good way, yeah.
Because that they need to do.
Sometimes.
But that's cool still. That's true. Odessa, who is your hero? We're getting details from Odessa Chambers, our producer. Your mommy, Mama Blue. Okay. Mama
hold
Blue.
on. Odessa mother is my hero too. She use that.
All right, so on that note, Daytime Lab will be right back with Grammy Award winning producer Salam Remy.
Mad thing.